puppy isn't crying. Oh, yeah. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Hey. Hey. Oh, got itchies. I got scratchies. Yay! Great. Hi! Come on! Yay! Yay! Good girl! Now she's like, oh no, there's a new world out here. Come on! Yay! That was very good! That was very good! Hey, little cushy! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Yay! Yay! Oh, you're a good little doggy. You're a good little doggy. Oh, you're terrible. You are a struggling monster, aren't you? I can't get over how soft their fur is. That was bad. Come over here, just a little closer. Hi. 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 You better start licking me. You better start licking me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Good girlie. Yay! Oh my! Okay. That was about. Sometimes it rolls out of their sight because it goes too far.
Yeah.
You gonna bring that? You gonna get that? Yay! Get it, get it! Yay! Woo! Yay! Good girlie! That was close enough. That was close enough. Ready? Okay, go. Go get it. Get it.
He's mine.
No, that's the problem with them squishy balls. With them squishy balls, they're not for snacking. They're not. Well, you're not running for the hills. You're not running for the hills. Yay. She says, I'm sorry. Yay, good girly. Good girly. Yeah, whatever. Whatever. What are we actually looking for? This was the test that Rev failed on the ATT part.
Yeah, but the ATT test, they open it right in their face. She's more thinking that you may feed her.
That's okay.
Because, we're in a...
Yay!
You can drag it all the way over.